Imagine a salt that's over 250 million years old, and here's the kicker. It's pink. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about the eye-catching, tongue-tickling Himalayan pink salt. Often spotted gracing the shelves of your local gourmet store, this vibrant mineral is far more than just a pretty face. So why is it pink, and how is it made? Buckle up. We're about to embark on a salty journey. Himalayan pink salt, contrary to its name, isn't from the Himalayas, but close enough. Now, if you're thinking, hold on a minute, you've got your geography all mixed up, allow me to clarify. This exotic salt, as pink as a blushing bride, hails from the Punjab region of Pakistan. In particular, it's mined from the Kaira salt mine, the second largest salt mine in the world, which is a mere couple of 100 kilometers from the mighty Himalayas. So while it's not technically from the Himalayas, it's in the same neighborhood, so to speak. Now, let's take a trip back in time, about 600 million years or so. Picture a massive prehistoric sea teeming with life, stretching as far as the eye can see. Over time, though, this sea began to evaporate, leaving behind colossal deposits of salt. This wasn't your average table salt, mind you, but a rich mineral-laden salt, the likes of which the world had never seen. As the eons passed, these salt deposits were subjected to immense geological pressure, resulting in the formation of large rock salt deposits. These are the very deposits from which our beloved Himalayan pink salt is mined. So, essentially, when you're sprinkling some of this pink goodness onto your scrambled eggs, you're adding a touch of ancient history to your breakfast. Now, one might wonder, why aren't these salt deposits found elsewhere? Well, the conditions that led to the formation of these deposits were quite unique. It was a combination of specific climatic conditions, the presence of a shallow, enclosed, evaporating sea, and a series of geological events that led to the creation of these salt deposits. And so, in the Punjab region of Pakistan, nestled close to the Himalayas, we find the remnants of an ancient sea preserved in the form of vast salt deposits. It's as if nature, in her infinite wisdom, decided to gift us with a mountain of salt. So we have a sea that's no more, leaving us with a mountain of salt. But how does it become pink? Salt is white, right? So what's the deal with this pink hue? Now, if you've found yourself pondering this question, you're not alone. It's a curious thing, this pink salt, and the answer to its hue lies in a story of minerals and geology. Let's journey into the heart of the Himalayas where this salt originates. You see, over 250 million years ago, the primal sea where the Himalayas stand today evaporated and left behind vast deposits of salt. Over time, this salt got trapped within the Earth's crust and was subjected to immense pressure and heat. This process led to the creation of the unique crystalline structure of this salt. But why pink, you ask? Well, this is where the plot thickens. This salt isn't just sodium chloride, the same compound found in your everyday table salt. It's so much more. It's a cocktail of minerals. In fact, it contains over 84 trace minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and calcium. And here's the kicker. The pink hue is due to the presence of iron. Yes, you heard that right. Iron. This mineral impurity gives the salt its distinctive rosy glow, setting it apart from its more mundane white counterparts. So, when you're seasoning your food with Himalayan pink salt, you're sprinkling a bit of geology onto your plate. To put it in perspective, imagine a painter with a palette full of colors. While the canvas is white, the final masterpiece comes alive with different hues because of the various paints the artist uses. Similarly, the paints or minerals present in the Himalayan salt give it its unique pink hue. So, you see, the pink in Himalayan pink salt isn't just a pretty color, it's a tale of time, pressure, and a sprinkle of mineral magic. It's a testament to the wonder of nature and the beauty that can be found in the most unexpected places. So it's not just a fancy color, it's a tale of minerals. Now, let's take a peek at how this salt goes from mountain to your dinner table. This isn't your typical mining operation, it's all done by hand. Imagine this. You're deep within the heart of a Pakistani mountain where the air is thick with a salty mist that lingers with every breath. This is where the magic begins. The Himalayan pink salt miners, with their hands as their primary tools, chisel away at the rock-hard salt walls, extracting chunks of the precious pink mineral. It's a laborious process, but one that's been perfected over hundreds of years. The extracted salt is then hauled out of the mine, seeing daylight for the first time in millions of years. This isn't like striking gold, it's striking pink. Now you might be thinking, well, that's all well and dandy, but how does it get from a rock to a shaker? Well, let me tell you, it's another meticulous process. Each chunk of salt is thoroughly washed, but not with your typical kitchen tap. Oh no, this is a traditional process that uses the purest spring water to ensure that the salt maintains its natural properties and unique pink hue. It's then left to dry, naturally of course, under the warm Pakistani sun. But the process doesn't stop there. Once dry, the salt is sorted. Yes, sorted. By hand, each grain is inspected and grouped according to its size and color. It's a bit like the sorting hat in Harry Potter, but instead of deciding your schoolhouse, it's deciding your dinner destiny. From coarse grains destined for a grinder to fine grains ready to sprinkle on your chips, every piece has a place. And there you have it, the painstaking yet fascinating process of Himalayan pink salt harvesting. It's a testament to the miner's dedication and respect for this beautiful natural resource. It's not an easy job, but someone's got to do it. And just like that, from a mountain in Pakistan to your kitchen, we have our pink salt. But wait, there's more. It's not just about getting the salt out of the mountain. There's a whole journey involved. Now imagine the pink Himalayan salt, freshly harvested, glimmering like a precious gem, brimming with potential. But it's not ready to grace your kitchen just yet. It's got a bit of globe-trotting to do first, and quite an interesting transformation to undergo. Once the salt is out of the mine, it's cleaned, washed, and carefully sifted to separate the grain sizes. Some of it is finely ground, the kind you'd find in your salt shaker, while others are left as coarse grains for a more rustic feel, and then there are those that are carved into slabs or fashioned into lamps, each piece unique in its hue and texture. Now, picture this, an army of workers diligently packing this treasure of nature into bags, containers, and boxes, ready for its journey. The packaging is crucial. It's got to protect the salt from moisture, prevent contamination, and withstand the rigors of travel. After all, it's not every day that one gets to package a piece of the Himalayas. Once securely packed, the salt begins its voyage. It's loaded onto trucks, driven down winding roads, and transported to ports where it's shipped across the 7 seas. It sails through storms, under sunny skies, past dolphins and whales, on a journey that could span weeks, even months. And then, after thousands of miles, it arrives at its destination, a local store, an online marketplace, or directly to your doorstep. It's unpacked, shelved, and waits patiently for you to pick it up, bring it home, and let it add a dash of the exotic to your meals. So, the next time you sprinkle that rosy salt onto your dish, take a moment to appreciate the journey it's been on. From the heart of the majestic Himalayas to your kitchen table, it's a journey of perseverance, resilience, and a testament to human ingenuity. From a mountain through a painstaking process and across the globe, that's the tale of your Himalayan pink salt. So what's the long and short of it? Let's take a quick savory journey back through the process of how our beloved Himalayan pink salt is crafted. It all begins deep within the earth, in the pristine, untouched salt mines of the Himalayas. These ancient mines, dating back millions of years, are the source of this unique pink salt. The salt gets its distinct hue from the rich mineral content, including iron, which gives it that lovely rosy blush. Harvesting this salt is no small feat. It's manually extracted by skilled workers using traditional methods, ensuring minimal processing and maximum natural goodness. Each crystal is hand-picked, hand-crushed, hand-washed, and sun-dried. You'd be hard-pressed to find a more hands-on approach. From the mines, it embarks on a journey across the globe to land in your kitchen. It's packed, shipped, and finally arrives at your local store, ready to add a pinch of pink to your culinary creations. But remember, Himalayan pink salt isn't just about the color, it's about the taste, the texture, and the health benefits. It's a step above your everyday table salt, offering a unique flavor profile and a wealth of minerals. It's more than just a seasoning, it's a conversation starter, a statement piece, a bit of ancient history on your dining table, and there you have it, a pinch of history, a dash of geography, and a whole lot of effort. That's your Himalayan pink salt for you. Please like and subscribe.